just until December 15. If magbubook kayo, magagamit niyo siya for the whole year. So, bongga! Good morning! So, I just woke up and my kids are outside already. I'm so excited to eat. So, sabi nila, the food is ready. Breakfast in bed. So, we're going to check breakfast na nasa outside. So, any coffee? We have coffee here. That's our breakfast. Night. Uy. It's okay. Hi, Eman. Sleepy pa ka. Good morning na. Stand up na, uy. Muit na, may gigutom na siya, guys. Sige, mga diri kayo, indot kayo, guys. Kami sa gawas, we decided to eat sa gawas, kay wash muna ako sa face kasi lalabas kami, manligo kami ng pool and maglalagay ako ng sunscreen, of course. Dinala ko talaga yung ano, guys, kasi I'm using the rejuvenating set. So, mag-sunscreen tayo. Alright. The day cream pala, guys. Maglagay tayo sa ating mukha. For protection. Need natin ng marami. Okay, heading out. We're planning nga mag-swimming sa katong na ano, tanaw akong outfit. Oh, dito mi. Yeah, dire mi sa nice slide.
Ah, dire ang pambata na doon.
Oo. Yeah, nice slide, bi. Thank you. Thank you. Nice sad oy. Hi, bi, tanawa bi, pareha taog sinina. Dali, dali. Ella, Eman.
Guys, we're going to pool slide.
Wow.
We're there.
Wait sa oy, ah.
There you are.
So, ikaw among tourist guide.
Wow. Ali pa?
Ha? So, diri nga side sa garden wing area na sila pool. Oh, na sila pool. And then kani siyang slide, but then under renovation pa siya. Dili may maka adaw nakabutang. Renovation is going on. Please bear with us. So, dili sila ka slide. Right now, nag-tour ako, guys. Mato ko sa seaside area. Good morning, ya. They're cleaning. Adto ako dito sa pool. My kids are still nasa pool. Ako naglaag-laag. Ay, makuha lang kong pictures dito na pita. Yan. Matuta sa sea area. different rooms. Malingaw sa dang kids here. What a nice sea area is here. Oh, oh, oh. Da, da, da. Hello, sir. Ayan, punta. Hi guys, good morning. So it's Cykaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So as you can see, I'm here at the beachfront. Kanindot ba sa live? No, nindot kay diri, and I'm super blessed to have this opportunity to have me time. But my family is with me, and my kids are at the pool, and I'm here at the beachfront, and my husband is taking care of them. And I was able to film and roam around, and as you can see, meron akong sanang gagawin na video, but then naiwan yung ano ko guys, naiwan sa room yung mga gagawin ko na video. My god. So yan, tatawagan ko muna at ipapadala ko dito. So guys, do you happen to have questions for me? Kasi lately I know that I'm having a Vlogmas, and luckily I'm here at Bluewaters right now, and hopefully you're going to support my Vlogmas guys. By the way guys, I'm here at Bluewater, and there's good thing kasi if ever you want to book here sa Bluewaters, they have ongoing promo, which is their rooms naka 50% off sila at Bluewaters Exclusives, and check them online guys, bluewaterexclusives.com.ph, and they're also selling online their Balay Pasko. So what is Balay Pasko? It's a sweet delicacies that their chefs, Bluewater chefs, personally made or innovate, kaya ang sarap-sarap. My personal fave is the Chocoron and their chocolate biscuits. And what's good thing about this, if you're going to go to their website, which is the bluewaterexclusives.com.ph, you will be able to buy gifts and give them to your loved ones, and pwede nyo pang ipa-deliver sa kanila. That's the good thing. And if you're going to book online as well, you can use your PayPal, your debit, credit card. This is just until December 15. If magbubook kayo, magagamit nyo siya for the whole year. So, bongga! Nandun na naman sila guys. I'm heading back sa pool kasi nandun yung mga anak ko sa pool na malapit sa Allegro. Sila sa front sa Allegro guys. Lingaw kaayo. Miss Mom na sleep ang baby. Guys, you know what? Namin nakitaan diri nga gwapa nga mami sa no. Si Miss Pam. Ganahan ko sa akong hair murag padung gid ana Miss Pam.
Lani ang kuan kay awkward hair.
Okay ra. Nag-start ko og kuan ya murag nigtubo ba murag magmanusok.
Lagi
Murag padung na jud ni on ako. Nihapit ko guys kay ngano mo uli na mi sila laysyo. Mustay pa sila other night. Oh, kami kay kini ni jud mo uli kay daghan kag nanawag. Ay,
kay arms.
kalingaw. So, since open na ang Balay sa Pasko, we're heading right now dito. Oh, wait. Unsa yung going promo sa Balay sa Pasko?
Tay online at lang sa Bluewater Exclusives. Yeah, pwede mo maka-choose at do kung ano sa inyong pilion. Natay mga promo diri, mga like cookies, and natay mga bagoong,
Okay, last year wala na din siya guys. Wala ning bagoong no.
yes ma'am, natay Bicol Express, Bicol Dampalaya, Sumigod bagoong, and Bicol Achara.
So pwede ra jud ni siya ihatod pa sa mga balay. So yung bagay. So mo na siya guys, check out Bluewater Exclusives. Then mangita pa ko diri kung sa akong ganahan, but last night kay ganahan kay akong kids sa atong chocolate cookies ata yon. No? So lami kay mag morning new na sila'y ham, which is the chicken galantina, and then the Christmas ham. So you can order ra jud guys, no? Pwede ra maka-order jud niya pa-deliver. And then mo ni lang gift packages guys, the flavors of Ensaymada. Nasa sila'y painit kit. Oh my god. And this one is my favorite. Lami kay guys, holiday choc cookies. Kani lami sad ni as in. And the Chocoron, dara, I found it. Are the gift of wishes. So one box is 800. So mao ni inyong makuha guys. So daghan na kay siya, di ba? Actually. So my kids personally love this one. So I will be buying one, and then magunahon na pa ko guys. Oh my god, kadaghan makalula. Hi Christmas tree, are you okay? Bought cookies sa Balay sa Pasko guys. Nice kayo. Lami. Found it. So, mag-swim sa ako kadiyot guys. Ready, maligo sa ako kadiyot no. Kaya wa pa jud ko kaligo, mauli lang. Kanindot bugnaw sa ulo. Ako hindi pang dilitan muna tani nga re. Maagbo ka ha. 450. Enjoy kay mga bata guys. So we really enjoyed our stay guys. Hopefully you please check out Bluewater Exclusives .com.ph kasi naka-sale ng mga room rates nila guys. Super galing. Hi! Say hi, B. We're heading home guys. We're going to take our lunch muna sa Alagro. Nalingaw man gud ang mga kids. So it's better jud nga 2 to 3 days ang inyong stay. Kami kay we need to go home man gud. Dayon kay we have our responsibilities as of now. Daghan kay pending. So we need to go home. So ang ilang buffet guys is Saturday and Sunday. Monday to Friday kay wala a la carte na siya. Daghan na rin tao guys. No? Excited na ko for our lunch. What's for our lunch? Wow! Lunch is served. It's almost done na for my meals. Nag-order kami in advance kasi 1 hour man yung waiting time. So we're heading home na guys. Thank you so much Bluewater.